Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Tuan Azman. So today, my group would like to demo about practical exercise tool for the subject Enterprise Network. My name is Muhammad Idiatullah and my group members is Becky Heard. Let's see the troubleshooting challenge objective. So for this lab, we need to do the documentation to identify the problem and fix the network trouble, common problems and communication problems. So we need to use various techniques and tools to identify connectivity issues, and then we need to documentation to guide troubleshooting efforts, and then we need to do to identify specific network problems or issues, and then we need to perform solutions to uh, to pre to make sure the network will uh, get to work again. And lastly, we need to verify network operation with ping from one device to other device. So next, we will take a look at the background of the scenario. So we know that in the previous packet tracer that we have developed that has some issues. So we need such as some hosts are unable to ping other hosts and the internet server. So our job is to determine what is the issues and we need to troubleshoot them accordingly. And then we need to check for this comprehensive error such as the right using the right addressing configuration. That means is using the right IP address and then use the right interface, routing protocol, and NAT, which is for network address translations. So here is the network topology for this practical exercise 2. And then we can see here there are 7 PCs that connected to each other to the network cloud. And then the network cloud are interconnected with the internet server as the main server. So we need to know what are the problems that this device have, and we need to troubleshoot them accordingly. Also here we can see the addressing table. Of course, after we design the topology, we need to know the right IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for each PC, and also the server and other else. I will not explain too much about this because you can read from here. Okay, so for the first issue here, as we can see from the screenshot from the PC1, the issue is the PC1 cannot uh, ping to other PCs, such as from here we can see uh, when we ping 192.168.3.50, for example, and then it will show the reply from the PC2, and unfortunately, the issues here, the PC2 cannot reach from the PC1. So it says here received 3 and lost 1, means that the packet sends some packets are not received by the PC2 to to the PC1. And same thing goes with other PCs right here. There are PC2, which is 192.168.4.115. This is for PC2. Same goes to other PCs, which they cannot get packets from the PC1. Also here, as the continuation of before, PC1 also cannot ping uh, the continuation for PC3 until PC7, if I'm not mistaken. Also, it cannot ping the internet server. So the issues here, it might be some wrong IP address when we assign to the for other PCs or subnet mask. There's something wrong with the subnet mask that makes these issues occur. To solve this uh, ping issue, we need first to do the trusted command to such here you can see we put trusted 192.168.4.115 to the PC, other PC. I cannot remember the PC, what PC is this, but you can see here, it's trying to telnet 192.168.0.1, and then uh, we need to give the password and all show the interface brief to make sure we will use the right IP address to the to ping the other PC. Also here, this is the continuation of uh, with the past slide. So we can see here, they are using telnet and SSH command, and we will do the router OSPF protocol, and yeah.
So this is the IP configuration of PC5. So let's see the PC1 ping to PC5 successfully to explain that the task is to troubleshoot and repair communication problems within an enterprise network using documentation and network tools. So let's see the PC5 ping to server successfully to define the learning and performance objectives. The IP configuration of PC6, then PC6 ping to branch 2 successfully and telnet successfully. To set up the scenario for the troubleshooting task and outlines the goal to locate and fix all faults. So let's see the branch 2 config serial 010 IP address 192.168.0.6. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Then ping to server PC6 and PC7 successfully. To guide what aspects to check while troubleshooting. So let's see the PC7 ping to server to provide a visual reference to understand device relationships and trace connectivity paths. Then see the last one, PC2 and PC4 ping to server successfully to demonstrate the testing process used to verify connectivity and locate failed links or misconfigurations. So that's for all. Thank you.